how to block adult websites on the internet on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page, we go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, we scroll down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. From here, tap on Web Content. Then tap on Limit Adult Websites. So in here, you can limit adult websites. So say limit access to many adult websites automatically. Specific allow and restricted website can be added below. So if you know certain websites that you want to be sure that it is blocked, you can tap on Add Website in Never Allow, and then type in the website that you want to block. So here, blocked.com. So if you want to block this website, you can tap on that, and this website will always be blocked. If you want certain site to be allowed, you can add it to the allow list or the exception list, and this will allow those websites to be viewable. And that's it. Here I will delete this one, and then after you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.